Now you just let them all go. Oh shit! 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 Fireworks are not toys. Do not try this in your life. You know what I have to say about that? Yeah, boom boom. Boom boom. Yes. Alright, today we are doing the Boom Boom Simulator. Yes. Boom Boom Simulation 8. Holiday. What do you mean holiday? Fuck. Okay, we're gonna turn you down a little. I'm gonna turn you down a smidge. Anyway, hello everyone. Today we are playing Fireworks Mania, a game of America. And you already know we gotta play on the town. We gotta commit some goofballism. We're gonna do some goofballish funnies. Such a peaceful town. Look how peaceful this town is. Sure would be a shame if there was a goober here. So we're just gonna, go home, It's been a nice day. 4th of July. We're gonna jump over the fence. And we're gonna have a little fireworks. And we're gonna do... I can put it in the pool. Okay, just give me a sec. Give me a second to figure this out. Okay, okay. Let's go ahead and let's do a little smoke ball, let's do some smoke balls. Let's do some smoke balls, I feel like some balls. I feel like I want to have some balls. I'm gonna link them all up. Let's be a good neighbor. Let's start out small. Let's start out nice and small with just some nice little smoke balls. What does physics tool do? And we're gonna put you in the doghouse. And how do I commit the fuse connecting to it? Actually, I know what it is. We'll have a nice little, I don't know. We'll have a nice little ladyfinger right in there. So then we can have fuse connect. Then we're gonna have reset the medium, and then we're just gonna perfect. Now we're gonna ignite. Look at it. Ooh, pretty, man. Oh my god. Holy shit. It's getting bigger. It's getting bigger. We're gonna start off nice and small. Now we're gonna... Holy shit. Oh man. Now, let's go with a screamer. Is that it? Santa was here. Santa Claus! I like Santa. Everyone... Okay, stop. Okay, everyone likes Santa, right? Everyone loves Santa. Everyone loves Santa, right? Yeah, everyone loves Santa Claus. So what's the worst that can happen? Maybe I should put them up straight. Maybe that would help the most. Distance, boom boom. Oh, okay, that's what I want to do. Static. I get bigger. We got fuck, shit. Okay, we're just gonna connect some of them. We got some molesters. Oh, pretty. That was kind of sad. Not gonna lie. So we're gonna have some. Let's go ahead and have a nice little America show. That's perfect. And this is what happens when you don't like your neighbor. Just set up a bunch of fireworks. You just hit him with the, gotta get them all, we gotta make sure you get them all together, gotta get them all. Then you get to a safe distance. Oh, that is cool. That is cool. That is fucking cool. That is pretty cool. Oh, that is cool. Oh, that is awesome. Holy shit, I need to do that. Hold on, we're doing that again. Hold on. Let's get, yeah, we're doing you again. Hold on. I'm gonna rotate you. And you know what? We're gonna go do some goobers. We're gonna go do some goober phone. Is these people open? Out for you're closed at the 4th of July. That's a sin. See, this is a rightful right to use fireworks. When the fireworks store is, why don't I just fucking, let's go with the we're gonna commit anarchy. When the fireworks store is closed, bring your own fireworks. What's vibrating? Gotta connect them all together. Now this might not go as planned. There might be some detonations. And we're gonna see some explosions, which that's what we're hoping for. We're gonna see some explosions. And some very funny. Now you just let them all go. Oh shit! Oh my god. Damn. Oh my god. The world's ending. The world's ending. Holy shit, am I intact? Oh, am I still alive? Am I alive? Oh my god. What have I done? What did I do? Gotta get out of here. Gotta get out of here. I gotta get the fuck out of here. Oh my fucking holy shit. Oh my god. I, I don't know why. I thought it wouldn't go off. Why? What? 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 It never went through my mind that that would go off. It never went through my mind that they'd go. The Maxiplier. Yeah. Let's go and just get a nice. Let's just do something normal for once. Let's do something. That's a mustache. I wish I had stepped back for it. Well, on that note, what if I just... It always ends like this. You know it was going to. We must spread the word of the Markiplier. Strapped to the podcast. Yeah, if I should have said this in the start of the video, this is a late 4th of July special. Oh yeah. Yeah, I don't know why I didn't do this earlier. I just didn't. So, it's a late 4th of July special. Now it's time to release Markiplier upon this world. Hold on, I'm gonna go look at this house for a second. It's a nice house. Get back to the Markiplier. Now we're gonna... Back to the Markiplier. I don't know what I was expecting. I thought it would take it a little longer, but no. Mr. Beats. Let's see what Mr. Beats got. Shit. Utter ass. Whatever Cam stands for. It looks big. It looks big. Throw it. Oh, okay, that was a good one. That was a good one. That was a good one. Okay, Cody Boom. Is that Cody Co? Dre, Fox. I don't know who you are. Wilson. Septic guy in this guy. I want to see a septic guy in this guy. No, I know what I'll do. I'll make an eye of the eyes. It's genius. Well, this didn't take long, did it? You don't know where this is going. You don't know where this is going. You don't know where this is going. You would be so proud. Septic. That's the boner cast. Boner cast. Boner cast. Is it all connected? Hope so. Actually, no, I know what to do. All connected. What if I just won? What does one just do? It makes a sound. I wonder how far you can hear the screaming distance. We gotta keep this. We gotta keep this egg. Gotta keep that. Seriously. You know, it's not just. Oh, it's a fountain. Someone just create a giant fountain. Perfect. I want to be instant. Link them all. Link them all. Link them all. You know, we could just legitimately create like a nice show, but no. The sun! I don't want to talk about septic shit. Aw, it's sweet. Okay, that's bright and it hurts. I'm gonna get rid of all these. Real quick. Can't waste any fireworks. My ears hurt. Okay. Man, this spot is decimated. Dude, I did not think it would create that much. I did not think that explosion would do. What is this? What are you? I don't know what I must do now. Can I crouch? I don't know what I must do now. I'm gonna get that, I'm going to get that, rod. Power up? Yay, power up. Give it, I want it. Smoke yellow. Ooh. So that's how you get these. You just... House is on fire again. Okay, Well, I'm going to go ahead and go ahead and just sow it. Let's do a couple of these first, you know, before we get into the big bangs. Let's go do some firecrackers. Oh, it's gotta be nighttime, man. Some firecrackers just to... I don't know what I was expecting. Anyway, big ones. Let's go ahead and do the world stuff. You know, we could start off normal. No, we're doing the world stopper, man. No, fuck it. We're doing the world stopper. Uh-oh. Oh, that wasn't that bad. This was not that bad at all. What about thick belly? I just did a cluster. I want to have a goddamn, it's going to have to make some rocket artillery. Yeah, nothing's gonna top that, so I'm just gonna fuck around for nothing's gonna top that first part. Rocket artillery! How many of you are there? Okay, fuck it. Last one. Yeah, let's just enjoy it. Alright, oxycapper. I wanna come to Anarchy. 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 Oh, I can't wait. What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? Yeah. Hold on, I have an idea. I have an idea. The gas station. Now, what we are going to do. What's the biggest firework in the? I don't know. Oh, I know what I want to do. The beehive. Fat Bill sounds good. Oh yeah, Fat Bill looks good. Fat Bill looks very good. So we're just gonna Fat Bill all over the place. Let's go and just Fat Bill on everyone. Lay down some Fat Bills. Gonna connect them all. Make sure they're all connected. Gonna Fat Bill everywhere. Then we're gonna light it. We're gonna see what happens. Oh, that's nice. Let's get back a little bit. That's nice, actually. Oh no. Oh fuck. Oh oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh shit! Oh, I should have seen the one Get me out! Let me out! Let me out! Let me out! I'm stuck. I'm gonna die in here. Well, if you're gonna die, oh my god, yes. If you're gonna die, might as well die a death of God. Oh, I like the positive neon on it, or where's it going? Oh, let's just spawn a bunch of them, see what happens. American flags, those bound to be good. Let's fill this store with fireworks. Oh, okay, I see a slight issue of I can't get out, so I'm just gonna, I have an idea. I'm gonna put a propane tank. Wait, maybe I can, okay, I can move shit. Okay, that's good. Okay, physics, I don't. Okay, get out of the way. Get out of the way, get out of the way, get out of the way, get out of the way. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Get out of the way, okay? Now, we are going to put a propane tank. A couple of propane tanks. Just follow me, man. Just in. Maybe, we're gonna make it a medium fuse. Hold on, I'm gonna attach it to, let's go ahead and let Markiplier have the honors of setting off this chain reaction of death. I'm gonna connect it to a propane. I'm gonna fucking light them all up, honestly. Let's see what happens. I have faith in you, Markiplier. Do not disappoint. Do not disappoint us, Markiplier. The pressure's on you. Let's see what happens. Perfect. Okay, that's fucking beautiful. Wow. Yeah, they're shooting at us. They're shooting at us. They're shooting at us. I'm want to commit the Normandy. Which one was it that was putting out those nice little ones? Was it this one? I was just putting out like nice little. Okay. 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 Is that it? Oh, that's boring. Does Sam go wild? Huh, let's just go and put out a bunch of them actually. Positive neon, shotgun cracker. Well, that's actually a tiny one. Let's see what you do. Oh, they're kicking it. Okay, that's pretty beautiful actually. No, I'm gonna make it. How do I speed up time? No, slow down, slow down. Good. Did I just fucking miss it again? Okay, no, I'm good. Okay. We are in deep, nighttime. Okay, hurry up. This one looks good. I'm trying to figure out which one just shot out a bunch of them at once. It must be this one. Oh, yes, it is. Okay, this is the one we want. That's the one we want. We're gonna create the ultimate D-Day experience. I want to be fast, dude. I want to feel the fear. Link them all together. Make sure they're all connected. Okay, perfect. In order to ignite it, we are going to have a nice little boom right there with a fuse that is yeah, I'd say medium. Damn! We're also going to take cover behind this bench. Get the... Oh. Holy shit. Fuck that person in particular, my god. Fuck that person in particular. Screw that person's house in particular, my god. Okay, we're slowing down. We gotta pump up the we gotta turn up the heat. Fear of dark, alright? What do you do? We gotta turn up the extreme, man. We're running out of, we're losing viewers, man. Oh god, what is that? Okay, that was interesting. Okay, where's the biggest one? Okay, World Stopper, you kind of disappointed me, so we're gonna give you a better chance. It's strange to say that World Stopper fucking... Something called the World Stopper disappointed me. Like, you'd think this thing would, you know, make a big boom. It didn't actually. Just didn't, you know. I mean, I guess they're supposed to be, like, safe. And, like, you know, they're not meant to kill everyone. Okay, you know. Okay. Well, I guess I understand that, you know, they're not meant to kill. Be, like, incredibly just you know this. Anyway, I'm just gonna fucking fill up this church. When in doubt, explosives. What about Oh, the Slimer? I think the Slimer's a good one. Let's see what the Slimer can do. Let's see what the Slimer can do. Yeah, that's pretty good. You know, we're just gonna fill the church with Slimers. I don't know, we're gonna fill it with propane tanks. We're gonna fill the church with propane tanks. And then we're gonna fill it full of... What does crates do? Yeah, we're just gonna fill it full of... America the beautiful. Let's go ahead and throw in some, let's go ahead and fire, guys. Go ahead and throw in some, I like this one a lot, positive neon. Throwing some positive neons over here, and we're gonna finish her up with a bang. And then we're just gonna... Uh-oh. Oh, I'm going to hell. It's pretty. It's very pretty. See, after all the destruction clears, it becomes pretty. It's just pretty. Anyway. Next one. Off to the next one. Let's go to the city. Closed. COVID. We're in the city now. Well, we have been bowling. Can I go inside some of these buildings? Oh, yes. I like you. Fuck you. Oh my god, they are actually rendered as fireworks. Wait, what if I want to ignite this, you know, can I? Let's go ahead and just yeah, you know, we're gonna fucking seal this all with a bang. 4th of July is a beautiful holiday. Full of, you know, oh, Komodo. You know, let's let him do it. Actually, I want to see what this does, actually. I want to see what this does. 4th of July is a holiday of fun. Okay, can you not fall over? It's a holiday for fun and to celebrate. What is a hammer? It's a holiday. It's a holiday to celebrate the creation of America. And to celebrate the creation of America, we celebrate by committing boom boom. And India, fuck it, Markiplier, you never let us down. Has Markiplier ever disappointed us? No. So he's a sloth. That's gonna be a... Well, get him, Mark! Yeah! Uh-oh. Holy shit, there's a mushroom cloud. My god, dude. I was gonna say the rapture hasn't started yet, but damn! Damn! What's that? You know, I think this is a great time to put out a disclaimer. Do not do this. This is fun as fuck, though. I'm just gonna, fuck safety. Boom, boom. I wonder if there's any other interesting place on this map. gas station. Our favorite. Yeah, there's one thing last thing I want to do before I leave. Or that gets finished. Mustard gas. 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 Oh my god. Mustard gas. Mustard gas. Mustard gas. Mustard gas. I want it to be on instant. It needs to be instantaneous, dude. Alright, that's fine. Mustard gas. Also, just to ensure that they do explode, I'm going to just put in some. Mustard gas. Anyway, I'm just gonna seal us off with the good old war crime. You know, as you do. And that will resolve the 4th of July special. This has been a drunk mummy. Stay safe, even though it's been already past it's already a bunch of days, but you know, just be safe. Oh my god, mustard gas. Holy shit. Oh, holy shit. Run. Run. Oh god.